So it's finally here, the Makita cordless kettle. It's the DKT360 from the guys down at Makita. It's a dual 18 volt or 36 volt cordless kettle, runs off two 18 volt LXT batteries in any amp hour whatsoever. But of course, the higher the amp hour, the quicker the charge and the more kettle boils you're going to be able to get out of your batteries. We've got an 800 ml capacity of this kettle, and if you're running off two 6 amp hour batteries, you can probably boil about 1.7 litres of water, or that's about just over 7 cups, so plenty for you on site. If you're running off two 5 amp hour batteries, it's going to be about 1.4 litres of water, so absolutely plenty to keep you guys topped up with brews. Really nice little kettle this, to be honest. Like I said, obviously it's cordless, hence the batteries. On the back here, you've got your slot for your 2 batteries to fit in, like so. On there as well, you've got your battery indicators, so you can check out your charge, see how much charge you've got left in those batteries. Round to the front, of course, we've got our on and off switch, really ridiculously easy to use. And it does come with a couple of nice features as well. It's got an auto cut-off. As soon as that kettle's charged, it will stop running the power from the battery, so you're not going to waste any energy. And as soon as you take it off the base as well, it's going to obviously stop charging and stop running those batteries down. So a couple of nice little features, and a little lock-in, lock-off switch as well to stop you from leaking water while you're doing that beautiful, nice pour. So there you go. That is the Makita cordless kettle. I think that's going to be an absolute fan favourite for you Makita boys out there. That, of course, is available now at ITS.